Hello guys, this is Vinetta's kitchen and I'm preparing coconut rice. As you can see, these are my ingredients. I'm going to be listing these ingredients in my description box. So, I like to use two vegetable oil and butter for this process. So let's start by using the butter first. The reason why I like to use butter and vegetable oil is because I believe that there's this okay there's this different taste that butter gives to your food, and also I believe that butter makes the rice not to stick. It makes it a whole grain. So that's my reasons for using butter and vegetable oil together. You can choose to use whatever you believe works best for you, but for me I like to use butter and vegetable oil. So I added in my diced onions to this, and I'm going to be stir frying for some minutes. The reason why I like to stir fry is because I'd like the onions to release the flavor into the oil mixture. So that's my reason. So I added in my vegetable oil. Then I'm going to stir fry for 5 minutes before adding in my washed rice into this. So I'm still stir frying now, and I'm just gonna keep stir frying. Do not allow your onions to burn, but allow it to fry well. So I'm just going to add in my washed rice to this now. Yeah, and I'm going to add in all of it. Yes, all of it all at once. And I'm going to stir fry again. I'm gonna keep turning, keep turning it like this in this the way I'm turning it right now. Do not turn it backwards again. So I don't know the reason why I was always told not to turn it backwards again, but this is how I turn my rice. So you allow the rice to fry very well. As in, let it fry very well. I like my rice to fry very well because I believe that when you fry it very well, um, the rice is perfect. You know, um, but do not allow this burn. Oh, don't say because I said you should fry it well, you not allow it burn. No, but just fry it well. You know when it is dry, you would see it. You would even when you take a little of it and you touch it, you will know that this has really fried well. The reason I always like to let it fry well is because you can keep this rice for like 3 days and it's not spoiled. You can just keep it in your freezer. You can even keep it for some hours. You can cover it in the cooler and it will not spoil. Or like some, rice that when you once you just cover it, it spoils. No, it's not like that for this rice. Once you follow this method. So after it's well fried, you add in your coconut milk. Yeah. I'll be uploading a video that would show you how to extract the milk from your coconut. It's very easy. So just follow this method and you would get a very wonderful rice. Trust me, you would love it. So you the rice that's on the body of the pot, just try to put that let it just join the other rice in the pot, and you add in water after the coconut milk. Do not add in too much water. It's better. I always say it is better to add water little by little if you're not perfect in the measuring water for your rice. So this doesn't allow the rice to be soggy, because when it becomes too soft it joins together. So avoid that by just adding little quantity of water. If you think you need more water, then you can add more water. So now you see my rice is done, like, and you can see it's not sticked together. It's perfect, and Now I've already diced my cabbage. I already diced my coconuts. I left some coconuts and diced. I'm dicing my carrots now. My green pepper and my red bell pepper. Sorry, and my green bell pepper is already diced. Everything is already diced, and I'm just showing you this ingredients again. I'm using hot dog. You can see my hot dog is already diced. You can just use anything you like, and I like to use this red beans and this green peas. You have to boil this first if this is the particular one you're using. My soy sauce, dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. So now I'm frying my onions again, another diced onions, fry and fry and fry. Let it release its flavor into the vegetable oil, and you add in your hot dog, sausage, whatever it is that you call it. You add in your sausage, you stir fry. I like my sausage to be well fried. So you stir fry this mixture. You keep stir frying. I find this fun though. I like to be in the kitchen. I like to cook. Cooking is very easy. Anybody can cook. Very, very, very easy. So now I had in my Maggie. The reason for this is okay. The reason for this is because you want that you want your veggies to have its own taste. Have in like Maggie and a little bit of salt aside the one you already added to the rice. So um this is it. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot to mention that while frying my rice, I added in Maggi as well. Then fry. So now I'm adding in my carrots, my green peas. That's the long green peas. I don't know the particular name they call this, but I call this green peas, long green peas. So I added in my red beans, my green peas as well. This is already boiled, I mentioned earlier, so please do not make that mistake of adding in the add one to your frying to your veggies. It will not get soft immediately. So I added in my green bell pepper and my red bell pepper, and I'm just going to stir fry again. Keep stir frying, keep stir frying. You like your veggies to be well fried. Do not allow this mixture to burn, but just fry it. You would know when it is ready. Yeah, and do not fry it for too long so your veggies doesn't get too soft. So now you can see I added in my diced coconut. What is coconut rice without having the feeling of your of coconut? Please tell me. A lot of people make mistake by just adding the coconut water. Yeah, I know that's still coconut rice, but there's this feeling you get when you're chewing your coconut. Like, it is so delicious, it's so filling, it's so nice, like it's so perfect. Trust me, you need to try this method. Try it this way and see. Just comment back. You would have no reason than to just comment. So try this method and you would love it. So you keep stir frying. As you can see, I kept on stir frying, and now you're going to add in salt. Yeah, you can taste this. If the salt is not enough, then you add in a little bit of salt. Do not let your veggies to be salty, please, guys. Add just a little bit of salt. Taste it. If it's not enough, then you add another. Now I'm adding my spring onions. Just spring onions, and your cabbage should be the last veggies to add, because you would want your cabbage to still be a little bit hard, not soft, not hard, just in between. So now I'm adding in my cabbage, and I'm going to be stir frying this again. My frying pan was a little bit smaller for this mixture, but I was careful with it, and it was okay. Nothing poured. It was just okay. So I was adding in my cabbage little by little. So you can add in all your cabbage if you have a big fry pan, and if you don't, like me, just add it little by little, and while you're adding it, you stir fry. At this stage, you see I moved from the bigger gas to the smaller one because my gas finished. Yeah, the devil is a liar, but I still finished my food. So you add in your remaining cabbage to this, and you stir fry again. Do not be tempted to add in too much vegetable oil. If not, your rice is going to be soaked with oil. So just a little bit of oil. As you can see, there's no vegetable oil in this, and there is vegetable oil in this again. You can see it in the face. So you stir fry, stir fry, keep stir frying until you are satisfied with what you have. You will know when it's ready. Trust me, you will know when it's ready. Do not allow it to burn. I repeat, do not allow it to burn, and do not allow your cabbage to be too soft. So now this is ready. I'm just going to be adding this veggies into my already cooked rice, just like I am doing in this video. You add in a little bit of your veggies, you stir. Be careful. You stir. The reason for this is because you want your veggies to be properly mixed with the rice. Yeah, do not add in all your veggies all at once. Add it little by little, just like I'm doing in this video. And you stir again. You add in your veggies, you stir again until you're done with all your veggies. So simple. This method is so simple. Like, I really, really like this method. I believe and I feel that this is the best way to prepare coconut rice. This is the best way to prepare coconut rice. I repeat, this is just so perfect, so delicious, so filling, so yummy. So guys, please do not forget, this is Vinetta's Kitchen. Please, if you find this video helpful, please like my video, comment, let me know if you tried this and how it was for you, how delicious your food was. Then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This would really, really, really help me, and it would really make me happy to know that I was able to help somebody out. So you just stir fry again, like I said, and I'm done. Like, this is how it looks. You can see it is so beautiful, and aside that it looks so beautiful, trust me guys, it is so yummy. It is so delicious. Like, everything is perfect in this recipe. The Maggi, the salt is perfect, not too much. You can feel it. It's just delicious. Trust me guys, this is delicious. So please, you can share my video to your friends, your loved ones, anybody. You can just share my video. Help subscribe as well. Tell them to subscribe so they get, and subscribe so you can get notified whenever I post another video of my cooking. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. This is the finished look. This is it. I serve this with fish, like fish and sauce. You can serve it with whatever. You can use whatever you want to use. I used fish and this, and I enjoyed mine with watermelon, and it was so delicious. Do not forget to subscribe, please.